Let's make some Southwest chicken egg rolls with some creamy avocado ranch. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to 40th Vibes Eats. And today, as you see, I got my beautiful babe cakes with me today. She's going to be assisting me in preparing some delicious Southwest chicken egg rolls. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so let's get into these ingredients. I have some oregano, I have some smoked paprika, I have some onion and garlic powder, I have some chili powder, some salt, some cayenne pepper, and some cumin. I also have a can of black beans, some corn, I have an avocado, I have a poblano pepper, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, an onion, and a lime. And we can't forget about this delicious pre-cooked and chopped chicken. And it's already been seasoned. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna chop up my vegetables. Okay guys, so now that my vegetables are all cut up, I'm going to throw them in the pan and saute them for a few minutes. And I'm going to add that delicious seasoned chicken to it. And we're going to get to assembling these Southwest egg rolls. Okay guys, so to my skillet, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of avocado oil. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of butter. To the pan, I'm going to add my diced vegetables. To the pan, I'm going to add some garlic puree. Add about a cup of corn. Because remember, this is Southwest style egg rolls. Definitely going to give you that Southwest style Tex-Mex, bold, spicy flavor that we all love. Gonna add about a cup of black beans. Now I'm going to add my seasonings. Just like always, the ingredients to this recipe is in the description box. Guys, like always, it is smelling amazing up in here. But this time, I really want you to subscribe to the channel and also make the recipes. That way you can also experience this glorious smell that I'm smelling right now. I mean, it would have your kitchen off the chain. Okay, now I'm going to add my And for the final ingredient, I'm going to add a little lime juice. I'm going to whip up a quick Avocado Ranch dressing. So in a blender, I'm going to add my homemade ranch dressing. And to this, I'm going to add an avocado. I'm going to add a little onion powder and a little garlic powder. We're going to give this a mix. And guys, after you make this is the consistency that you should get. Okay guys, so now it's time to assemble the Southwest egg rolls. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so now I'm going to add some Monterey Jack to my egg roll wrapper. I'm going to add about 2 scoops of my Southwest chicken mixture. Okay, then I'm going to wet the edges of the egg roll so they can stick together. You can also use a whisked egg if you like. Okay guys, so now that the egg rolls are assembled, we're going to deep fry them at 350 degrees. And make sure you don't overcrowd your fryer. Okay guys, so now that the egg rolls are done frying, I'm just gonna cut it open and give it a taste test. Alright guys, so I'm gonna dip it in my avocado ranch sauce. Oh, these Southwest egg rolls are definitely hitting on all 10s. The avocado ranch is out of this world. So if you like the vibe that we did today, remember to hit that notification button and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you in the next video.